Hey guys, what is up? It is us again, and we are here to check out I Like Singapore.
Held since 2010, I Like Singapore showcases light art installations from artists in Singapore and around the world. Let's see what this year has in store for us. Let's go. I Like Singapore 2019, happening from the 28th of January to the 23rd of February.
Definitely an event for you to bring your loved ones along, and you might want to bring your camera. So do like, share and comment down below where you'd like us to visit next.
Until then, may the lights guide you home.
Lights will guide
No. Cut. No more of this. No more of this.
And